Alright, Jimbo.
Here.
Tell them what we're doing. No mics right now, they're charging.
We're dropping the headliner because we got to get to the actual sunroof assembly. Because I don't think we're going to be able to rebuild it, at least in this portion. But we at least got to line it up correctly because they're, I don't know what the proper term would be, but
Misaligned.
yeah, they're definitely misaligned. One's up here, the other one's back here. You crank it.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna drop the whole sunroof assembly, and then manually strain that sucker out so we can at least get it on here and close it properly so it's not flowing around.
What do you got to do to take the this unit up?
That's a great question.
So I saw you were taking off. You're trying to take off what, the A-pillars, right?
I mean, as far as I remember, I know you have to take off the visors. You can probably pop this off a little bit. You don't have to take them off directly. You just kind of click them there, and then you'll be able to drop this. As you can see, there's a little bit of play. And then obviously we're probably gonna have to take that off. Got to take off this little pillar right here, and then once you have that, these pop down, and then this should just drop right on your forehead.
All right, cool. So let's get on that.
Let's do it.
All right, we just cleaned her up. Took a little while, but got her nice and clean. So as you guys can see right here, the little spring wire cables, whatever you want to call them. Cleaned those up, took them as much out as we can out of here. Cleaned them, steamed them, greased them. Just good to go. We're probably gonna slob a bunch more white lith right in here right before we put the motor in. The motor did get cleaned as well. The gear looks okay.
Compared to what we were at.
Compared to where it was, yeah. But at the same time, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be that dull, at least on the ends and stuff. If we really wanted to, I don't know. I don't have a file like that though. But if we really wanted to, we could try to go crazy. But I think that's gonna be fine. We're just gonna clean this up a little more, throw some white lith, toss her in, and then into the car. And then finally, we gotta actually start doing some other stuff because this little side quest took a little too long, but we'll get that in and get going. All right, guys, we're gonna be putting this John in finally, and wish us luck.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Jimbo, tell the people what happened.
Well, that was easier than expected. The long story short, it's all beep. It's closed. That was what we cared most about. It does close. It does open. Doesn't do it properly, but it closes. That's what we needed. So after a few hours of hard labor, of taking 30 years of dirt and giving it some good TLC. We found out on this side, it's absolutely stripped to shit. So, that'll be a mission for another day, but the goal is to get this closed. And I would say mission success. It is.
She's closed. So that's going to wrap it up for today. There's another little late nighter with this thing, but we got it done. We're hoping we're going to get a lot more done, like sanding and everything, but it just got a little too much with this sunroof, more than we expected. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Your dreams matter. Make dreams possible. Peace.